Tired of juggling multiple Discord personas on your phone? Let's power up your mobile Discord game by mastering account switching, making your multi-community life a breeze. First, open your Discord app on your mobile device. You'll want to head to your user settings on iOS. This is typically found by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. For Android, look for the 3 horizontal lines in the top left to open the navigation menu. Then tap your profile picture at the bottom. Once you're in user settings, locate and tap on the account tab. This is where you'll manage your primary Discord profile associated with the currently logged in account. Now keep an eye out for the switch account or add account option within your account settings. Tap this to initiate the process of adding another Discord profile to your app. You'll be presented with a login screen here. Enter the email address or phone number and password for the other Discord account you wish to access. Once you've entered the credentials, tap the Login button. Congratulations! You've now successfully logged into your second Discord account. You'll notice your profile picture and the servers you're part of will update to reflect this new account. Switching between your accounts is designed to be quick and seamless on most mobile versions. You can often tap your profile picture again, and you'll see an option to switch to your previously logged in account. Some versions might even allow a simple swipe gesture within your profile area to cycle through them. This feature is a game changer for managing notifications and staying connected across all your communities without repeatedly logging in and out. Enhance your Discord mobile experience by mastering this simple yet powerful tool.